My name is Joshua Ajayi. I'm a physics teacher and I currently work with Teach for Nigeria. Today we are going to be looking at a topic in physics. We are going to be looking at motion. We are going to be looking at the definition of motion and we are going to be looking at the types of motion. Now, starting with definition, motion is actually can be defined as the change in the position of a body with respect to time. It can be defined as change in the position of a body with respect to time. Um, if you move or if you move from one position to another position, motion has occurred. Now, what are the types of motion that we have? We have random motion, we have oscillatory motion, we have translational motion, and we have rotational motion. Now, looking at random motion is actually an irregular or disorderly movement of a body. An irregular or disorderly movement of a body. For example, the movement of smoke particles in the air, and again the movement of gas molecules. The movement of gas molecules. Now, looking at auxiliary motion is actually the to and fro movement of a body. For example, when you pluck the string of a guitar, it will actually exhibit oscillatory motion. Another example is the movement of a simple pendulum bulb. That's another example of oscillatory motion. Now, looking at translational motion is actually the movement of a body from one point in space to another point in space. The movement of a rigid body from one point in space to another point in space. For example, the movement of a plane from, let's say, Nigeria to United Kingdom. Another example is the movement of a car from, let's say, Lagos State to Abuja. All right. Another one is rotational motion. Now, motion is actually the rotational movement of a body about its axis. Rotational movement of a body about its axis. For example, the rotational movement of the Earth about its axis. Another example is the movement of the wheel of a car. The wheel of a car is another example of rotational motion. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Joshua Ajayi once again.